Most BMW engines don't fail suddenly. They don't explode out of nowhere, and they don't just give up one day. They die slowly, quietly, and predictably. Not because BMW builds bad engines, but because owners unknowingly repeat the same destructive habits every single day. Habits that feel normal, habits that feel harmless, habits that many drivers are even encouraged to do by outdated advice or marketing myths. Cold starts, short trips, long oil intervals, hard driving at the wrong time, ignoring small warning signs, using the wrong fuel, shutting the engine off too quickly, skipping software updates. If you drive a BMW, especially popular models like the 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, or any turbocharged petrol or diesel engine, this video can literally save you thousands in repairs. And yes, this applies even if your BMW feels perfect right now. Before we continue, a quick note. If you want your BMW engine to last 200,000 to 300,000 miles, not just until the warranty ends, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not marketing promises or myths. Everything here is designed to help your BMW last as long as possible. Now let's talk about the habits that quietly kill BMW engines. One of the fastest ways to shorten the life of a BMW engine is how you treat it right after startup. BMW engines, especially modern turbocharged petrol and diesel units, rely on extremely precise oil pressure. When you start the engine cold, the oil is thick and has not yet fully reached critical components such as the turbo bearings, the Vanos system, and the timing chain tensioners. If you start your BMW and immediately accelerate hard, rev high, or drive aggressively, you are forcing metal components to move and load against each other before proper lubrication exists. This is how timing chains stretch early. This is how turbo bearings wear prematurely. This is how internal wear begins long before you hear any noise. BMW engines do not need long idle warm-ups, but they absolutely need gentle driving during the first minutes. The survival rule is simple. After a cold start, drive gently. Keep RPMs low. Let oil temperature rise naturally. Coolant temperature alone is not enough. Oil temperature is what truly matters. Another silent BMW engine killer is short trips. Short trips are devastating for BMW engines. If you constantly drive 5 to 10 minutes at a time, city-only routes, or frequent stop-and-go cycles, your engine never reaches full operating temperature. This causes fuel dilution in the oil, moisture buildup inside the engine, carbon deposits, and turbo contamination. On diesel BMWs, short trips slowly destroy the DPF system. On petrol turbo engines, they accelerate carbon buildup on intake valves and reduce oil quality. BMW engines are engineered for longer, steady driving, not endless cold starts followed by shutdown. The survival rule here is non-negotiable. At least once per week, drive your BMW continuously for 20 to 30 minutes at highway speed. This allows oil to clean itself, moisture to evaporate, and internal components to operate as designed. Now let's talk about oil, and this is where BMW marketing causes serious damage. BMW officially allows oil change intervals of 15,000 miles or more. That number exists for service schedules and ownership costs, not for long-term engine survival. Turbocharged BMW engines operate at high temperatures, high pressures, and extremely tight tolerances. Oil degrades far faster than BMW admits, especially in city driving. Extended oil intervals lead directly to timing chain wear, Vanos solenoid clogging, turbo oil starvation, and bearing damage. Many BMW engine failures are blamed on bad engines, when in reality, they were killed by dirty oil. The survival rule is simple and proven. Change oil every 7,000 to 8,000 miles, and always use BMW-approved oil, not oil that is almost correct. Another destructive habit is flooring the accelerator before the engine is ready. BMW engines love performance, but only when fully warm. If you regularly floor the throttle early, drive hard before oil temperature stabilizes, or immediately use sport mode after startup, you shock critical components. This is especially dangerous for turbochargers, piston rings, and rod bearings. BMW engines tolerate performance extremely well, but only when they are fully prepared for it. The survival rule is clear. No full throttle until oil temperature is stable, not just coolant temperature. BMW engines also warn owners early, but most drivers ignore the signs. Rough idle, delayed throttle response, slight increases in oil consumption, occasional warning lights that disappear. These are not random quirks. They are early warnings. BMW problems escalate quickly if ignored. A small Vanos issue can become major timing damage. A minor turbo symptom can turn into complete failure. The survival rule is awareness. If your BMW feels slightly off, investigate immediately. Small fixes prevent massive bills. Another major killer is shutting the engine off immediately after hard driving. Turbo BMW engines generate extreme heat. If you drive aggressively, exit the highway, and shut the engine off immediately, oil stops circulating while the turbo is still extremely hot. This causes oil to bake inside the turbo bearings, forming carbon deposits that slowly kill the turbo from the inside. The survival rule here is one of the simplest and most effective habits you can adopt. After hard driving, let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutdown. This single habit can dramatically extend turbo life. Fuel quality is another underestimated factor. BMW engines are aggressively tuned and rely on proper octane levels. Using low-octane fuel or inconsistent fuel quality forces the ECU to pull timing, increasing heat and stress. Over time, this contributes to detonation damage, carbon buildup, and reduced engine lifespan. The survival rule is straightforward. Use the recommended octane or higher, especially in turbocharged models. Cheap fuel saves money at the pump and costs money at the workshop. Modern BMW engines are also heavily software dependent. Software updates are not cosmetic. They often improve fuel mapping, turbo protection logic, cooling strategies, and reliability safeguards. Skipping software updates means running outdated engine protection systems. The survival rule is simple. Keep engine and transmission software updated whenever updates are available. Now let's talk mindset, because this is where most BMW owners fail. BMW engines don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they are precise machines treated like generic cars. A BMW engine must be treated like a performance engine, a temperature-sensitive system, and a machine that rewards patience and precision. BMW engines die from habits, not mileage. A well-treated BMW engine can last far longer than most people believe. Here are a few final curiosities most BMW owners don't know. Many BMW engines that fail under 150,000 miles still show perfect compression. Oil starvation killed them first. BMW timing chain issues often start with dirty oil, not defective chains. Long idle warm-ups are worse than gentle driving because oil needs movement, not waiting. If you adopt these habits, your BMW engine will reward you with reliability, performance, and longevity far beyond average expectations. Subscribe if you want BMW-specific engine survival guides, not generic car advice. Upcoming episodes will cover BMW turbo survival, diesel DPF longevity, and model-specific weak points that every owner should know. Your BMW engine is not fragile. It's precise. Treat it accordingly.